is all about balance. No, not that kind of balance. It's balancing the right amount of this with the right amount of this. A little of this. And plenty of this. Not spending too much of this. And keeping an eye out for things like this. When connecting is a tap, and disconnecting is a flip, and your devices are built to help find that right balance of work, play, sleep, spending, saving, and knowing what you need most. That's how you become a happier and healthier you. A healthier you. Made by Google.